Hi guys! That kinda disturbed me. Okay, is that still there? I need to calm down. Let's do this again. Yo, what's up? Hi, internet friends. My name is Elvie, the Borneo princess. I'm not a princess, but I claim to be. So, I made a lot of changes in my entire life. I'm sure you guys saw that. I'm sure you guys witnessed that through my Instagram, and I've already explained why I've been away, and now I'm gonna explain how I lost weight. Yay! I was really never happy with how I look, and even though I was skinny,
yes, I was skinny.
I weighed about like 47, 48, 49. I still felt a little bit heavier. I was always conscious with my body. I don't know why. And I was like, dude, I was only 49. What am I conscious about? You know? And I was a dancer. So, like, this is how I look back in high school. I wasn't exactly very fat anyways, but I guess because I was surrounded by really skinny girls around me, gorgeous skinny girls, and I was like, wow, why I can't be like that? But anyway, I don't even know what's their story, so I can't compare myself with their body. But I was always comparing, and it sucks when like people smaller than you be like, oh my god, I feel so fat, and I'm like, girl,
really? Do you want me to smack that shit?
I kind of have eating disorder, sort of. Basically, I don't know exactly how to lose weight healthily, and I don't know how to properly eat. When I'm on diet, I starve myself. Like seriously, I can like not able to eat for a few days, maybe 2 days max, and I only eat like once a day. And when I do eat, I will binge eat them, and then I will force myself to like vomit, and that's disgusting, and it's painful, you know, when you vomit and you just feel like period. It sucks, you know, it sucks that I cannot enjoy my food without feeling guilty. That was me back then. And then fast forward to my college days, I still do what I'm doing. However, I increased to, I was 49 kilograms and I increased to 60 kilograms. Hey, this is how I look. Okay, let me tell you this. I tried all kinds of diet. I tried keto, I tried slimming pills, I tried going to the slimming center, I tried that hydrosicut shit, the fat burner from GNC, and I tried military diet, I tried starving myself, and I still can never lose weight. So that was my issue, and if you know me very well, follow me for the longest time, probably you know that I actually photoshopped my body to make me look a little smaller, a little thinner, and it sucked. I just know because I came to realize that, you know, enough is enough. I need to do small changes, I need help. Somebody out there,
Please help me, please.
So I work out, but I don't really enjoy working out because I was really heavy, so I felt like a chore to work out, and it sucks. So a year ago, about that, I forgot, I met my angel, Ryan. He's my coach, and he taught me how to properly lose weight without starving myself, eat, you know, food that I enjoy, and have a balanced lifestyle and not have a restrictive. It changed my life ever since. But I'm gonna show you guys how I lost weight. So number one, I changed my breakfast from carb-based breakfast. I don't skip meals, I don't skip breakfast at all. I changed them to protein-based breakfast. I try to keep my breakfast a little light, because if I eat carb-based breakfast, what will happen to my body is that my sugar level will spike up, and that's when my insulin increases and try to tone it down, and that's when my energy level and sugar level went down to less than optimum level, and that's when I get super hungry and super tired, and that's when I overeat for the rest of the meals of the day. So your breakfast is the most important thing, you know, of the day. I know there's diet like intermittent keto, whatever. Yeah, all kind of diet work. If you don't eat, you definitely lose weight. But I like to keep my meals throughout the day as sustainable. I don't want to be restrictive towards myself, and that's why I prefer having a protein-based breakfast. However, my protein-based breakfast is a liquid form. So basically, I make a smoothie shake in the morning. It's really light and it's only about 180 calories, maximum 200 calories in the shake, and basically it has all the nutrients I need, which is the protein, the vitamins, fiber, every single thing I need to stay functioned to be productive throughout the day. Number 2, do not ever I don't skip meals at all. Like, this is my belief, because I don't want to stay hungry throughout the day. When you skip meals, you're basically starving yourself, and your body will go on defense mode and stop burning the fats around you. Also, when you skip meals, you tend to overeat when you start eating, and that's why I prefer having 5 meals in a day, but at small portion, just to keep my metabolism running. So number 3, I drink water. Yeah, a lot of people say,
Water? Isn't water making you bloated and stuff?
No, water doesn't make you bloated, but when you take too much salt, your water will be absorbed by the salt. So that's why you are bloated. Water is very important, because 70% of your muscle consists of water. So if you want to lose fats, you have to gain muscle, because 1 kilogram of muscle actually burns 100 calories. So water definitely helps you to detox. The more you drink, the more you pee, because you detox everything and you don't have water retention. And also, yeah, so I think water is like one of the cheapest way to lose weight. Yeah, water is magical. Just drink water, guys. Number 4 is I do take supplements. I take supplements that's only good for me. I do a lot of research on supplements, and I don't simply take my supplements. So the supplements that I took is from Herbalife Nutrition. I did notice that I took Herbalife Nutrition since I was really young, because my mom used to feed me Herbalife, so I didn't know what it's for. But apparently, the shake itself is a meal replacement, so that's what I took in the morning. So basically, it's not a weight loss product, just to let you know that. It's not a weight loss product, but it does give me the nutrients that I need to replace a meal. So I feel full, and I put in good things in my body. The reason why I only use from Herbalife Nutrition is because I don't like to mix my supplements. So that's why I only take Herbalife Nutrition, and it's also #1 nutrition company in the world. So that's why I believe there are core main things that I do use, which is the F1 shake itself to replace my breakfast and some of my meals. And of course, after working out, and I have my pre-workout and post-workout shake. So yeah, supplements is really important if you really want to look aesthetic. So that is all, a very simple one. To be honest, like, there's no crazy secret about losing weight. You know, for me, it's just to have the knowledge to properly eating. Everybody has different bodies. You cannot give one meal plan for every same person, because everybody has different bodies. And that is why I actually have this personalized coaching program. It's both online and offline. If you're in Kuala Lumpur itself, you can do offline program with me, you can meet me in person. But if you're an online person and you're not from Kuala Lumpur, I can offer you an online program where I teach you how to eat properly, how to work out properly, and get the best shape of your life. So on and on, we have challenges to make my clients and everybody else be like, oh, I need to win this challenge. So basically, we have 10 days challenge and also 30 days bikini challenge. In 10 days, if you like to try it out, in 10 days people usually lose 2 to 4 kilograms. So if you are very interested, you can definitely click on the link in the description box and find out more about my online fitness program. Okay, so I guess that is all for today's video. Today's video is pretty simple, it's pretty basic. That is how I lose weight. I lost a total of 6 kg and I maintain ever since and constantly gaining muscle. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video useful, and if you love this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram especially, and as well as if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and comment what you want to see next. I'm probably gonna make another video that's more in detail about nutrition, about working out. So if you guys really like that one, please give a comment down below. Thank you guys so much and see you guys very soon. Bye. Love you.